it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your stick drift quickly on your Xbox controller. So the first thing you want to do is take a rag or a cloth and just clean off any kind of debris that is forming or collecting that could fall back into the controller right here. So just take this and clean it off, and once it looks good, we want to move the stick to the right and then push down and create a little bit of a separation between the cover and then the stick itself. Then take your mouth and blow into here, or use compressed air. So blow on that side, then move it to the left, blow right here, then up, click down, blow here, and then here. So get all four sides here, or angles. Then if that doesn't work, you want to push the thumbstick down on the right side and use your finger to help out, and then do it that side, this side, this side, and this side, and up and down. So once it's centered and we pushed it back into place, we want to push up and down, and you're going to notice the thumbstick is going to move up and down, and do this about 10 times. So we're trying to dislodge anything that could be stuck on the stick drift or the sensors itself, and then push it down and rotate it to the right 10 times, and push it down and rotate it to the left 10 times. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.